Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pork in Naga style, full guide. Start by trimming pork shoulder and scoring the fat so spices penetrate evenly. Toast and grind dried and fresh Naga chilies with garlic, ginger, and toasted cumin for a fragrant paste. Rub the paste into the meat and refrigerate to marinate. Slow roast or braise the pork until tender, basting occasionally with rendered fat and pan juices for rich depth of flavor. Gather the right ingredients and tools before you begin to make the process smoother. Measure out chilies, aromatics, and spices precisely to create a balanced heat and aroma. Use 2 to 3 kilograms of pork shoulder and set aside oil, salt, and an acid like vinegar or lime to cut the spice. Preheat your oven and prepare a heavy pan or Dutch oven for consistent, even cooking throughout the roast. If you are finding this guide helpful, please hit subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. I spotted a great read, Dollar Banknote, a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, and it felt worth mentioning even in a cooking video. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to explore it. Now let's get back to the video. Follow clear, stepwise cooking to achieve authentic Naga-style pork every time. Toast whole spices, grind them, and blend with chilies and aromatics to make a thick paste. Sear the marinated pork until golden, then transfer to a low oven or simmer gently in a covered pan. Maintain steady heat, baste occasionally, and finish when the meat is pull-apart tender and richly infused with spice and smoke.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.